Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back for another video. I'm going to be changing out my air filter, but this is not to show you guys how to change out an air filter. You guys know how to do that already. I just want to show you guys the difference of having a clean air filter. As you can see, this one is pretty dirty. I had this one in the car for about, I don't know, 3.5 years now. It wasn't used a lot, but it had regular maintenance. This is the one that I'm going to be installing. See how nice and pretty it looks? Well, some of the benefits of having a good air filter, a clean air filter, is you have great fuel economy. You don't burn as much fuel. If you have a dirty air filter, it makes your car work harder. It tells the computer it needs more oxygen, and it consumes more fuel. So that's one of the advantages of having a fresh air filter. It improves your miles per gallon. So I picked this up at Walmart. There's the part number 5056 for the 98 through 2011 town car. So yeah, as always, you guys have a good day and stay up.